My name is Abubakar Umar, and I am the founder of Abokin AI. Um, First of all, what is Abokin AI? Abokin AI is Abokin AI come from Hausa word, which means the friend of AI. Therefore, in Abokin AI, we believe um, you must be a friend of AI so that you can be able to focus and try and navigate and utilize AI for easy and efficient job or services delivery. And what we do in AI, in Abokin AI, is creating an awareness about AI utilization in northern Nigeria and Nigeria at large. We also help in improving the utilization of AI into teaching and learning process in most of in our schools in northern Nigeria, and we are trying to make people aware about new AI tools. What we do, we are always 247 making a research, in fact, making a subscription into newsletters and something like that, and make a deep research online and offline so that we can get a latest news about new AI tools so that we will come and make our people aware. And this is three major objectives of Abokin AI: creating awareness about AI utilization in northern Nigeria, improving proper utilization of AI into teaching and learning process, then to make people aware about new AI tools and how they can use them, their benefit, and something like that. Then uh, our channel, you know, in Abokin AI, we're creating content, blog content, video content, graphic content, so that to make people easy understanding about AI, what is artificial intelligence, how they can use artificial intelligence, and something like that. Therefore, we are spreading our content across various social media platforms. We have different social media platforms, and such as YouTube channel like this. This is our YouTube channel, Abokin AI. This is our YouTube channel, as you can see in our YouTube channel. This is Canva. This is AI. This is, yes, this is what we are doing in Abokin AI. This is our YouTube channel. Then we have blog platform, that is abokinai.blogspot.com. And what we do, we are creating an articles in Hausa language. We are creating an articles in Hausa language for easy understandable of artificial intelligence to our people. Then we have we have a LinkedIn platform where we are creating a newsletters every week. Every week we are creating a newsletter so that our people will make easy understanding of AI and new AI tools. And we also have an Instagram account where we spread videos. We are creating videos so that people can be aware on new AI tools. We also have LinkedIn account where we are creating videos and uploading it so that people can have an easy and a clear understanding on artificial intelligence and new AI tools. We have TikTok or something like that. So in short, this is what Abokin AI is all about. We are creating awareness to make people understand and aware a new AI tools, how they can use artificial intelligence in their day-to-day life, how they can use artificial intelligence in teaching and learning, and how they can use artificial intelligence in their business and marketing. Thank you very much. I am once again Abubakar Umar. Thank you. I hope I will get the opportunity to participate in today's fellowship. Thank you very much.